Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about how to get signed with a modeling agency. All right, Allie here with NGM Modeling. The very first thing to getting signed to a modeling agency is apply, but you got to follow the instructions. All right. Every single day we get submissions at NGM Modeling, and I can't tell you how many applicants get overlooked and passed because they did not follow directions. Sometimes people will submit unprofessional photos or whatever the directions are. Make sure you read over those carefully and do exactly as they say. Don't send an email or a message to Instagram saying, hey, I submitted an application, did you get it? These are not the things to do, guys. Follow the instructions and, of course, make sure to apply. The next one is to prepare kind of your identity or your brand before you apply. So kind of know before you apply, before you go in, what is it that you're selling or that they're signing? What is your identity? What is your brand? Are you an influencer? Are you a print model? Are you a commercial model, a fashion model? Whatever that is, you need to make sure that you have worked on that and that your body of work represents the brand that you're showing off to the modeling agency. The next one is answering the question, why would a modeling agency sign you over somebody else? So you need to know beforehand, what value do I bring? What am I bringing to the table? Taking the time to build a YouTube channel, and we've got links down below where you can look after you're done here. Go down and take a look at those links on some options for you and some tips on how to build a YouTube channel if you haven't already done that. The next one is building large social media following. If you don't already have that, we've also got some videos on some tips for that as well. And then the last one is, of course, your walk. So a strong runway walk. If you're looking to be a runway model, make sure that you have a great walk. And again, we have lots of videos here on the NGM channel that you can watch for runway walks as well. So hopefully these tips will help you out to get signed with an agency. Comment down below if you have any other questions for us. Make sure that you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.